Jordan, girl, what happened to your bathing suit? You took it off? Somebody's not happy. Brother's happy. Hey, Brother Bell. Hey, Brother Bell. What you doing? See, I'm trying to get it. Oh, 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 get it. Yeah. He said, I'll meet you there, Mom. I'll be there in a year. So, it is 1:47, and look who's here. Is that you, Bella? Is that you, Belly Bell? Say, I had to come see you. I missed you, Miss V. I missed you. Yeah. So, as I was telling you guys the other day, Kayla's son got injured while at football practice. Fractured his hip, well actually his hip bone, or the femur popped out of the hip socket. And they had to put it back in. And that went wrong because, look, Jim is playing some video games. That went wrong because maybe they didn't check to see if there was anything like fractured, any fractured bone fragments or whatever. So he had bone fragment still inside. He had fragments of bone inside the hip socket area. So they literally had to do some surgery, cut him open, break that, I guess, the flat top part in half in order to remove the femur, that ball joint. I should know these things because, you know, I do have a medical background, but oh my gosh. Y'all, I haven't broke this book out in forever since I've been in school. And this book right here, I'm keeping this book so that when my kids get older, I can open it up and show them all the nasty diseases that they can contract if they're nasty boys messing with nasty girls. Yeah. What you doing, Jordan? Don't you worry. She's not gonna get our attention. Don't you worry. See, Mama got to get her life together because she just been laying around all day. Her tummy is hurting her. My tummy is just hurting me so bad. See, that's okay. She's just gonna drink her little bubbly Sprite or something. A bubbly Sprite. A bubbly Sprite. A bubbly Sprite. Boom. Or maybe some ginger ale. Ginger ale helps too with an upset stomach. And you know what type of stomach I'm talking about. Ooh. I've just been a boo-booing all day long. Mama's got the boo-boos. Mama's got the boo-boos. Mama's got the boo-boos. Mama's got the boo-boos. Boo-boos. Give me kisses. TMI. So, he doesn't want me to put him down. So I have to do my makeup while holding him. One hand style. Multitasking, mama. Because I'm only little like this for so long, mama. And then I forget all about you when I turn 7. I don't even have to be a teenager. They invented video games for me to ignore you. So you better love me now. It's just how it is, you know? I love my babies. I love my babies. I'm running out of makeup, y'all. I literally have to stick my brush down in there and scoop it out. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys. I use the Fit Me. I guess it's number 360. No, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. The boys are eating?
Mm-hmm.
How's Bella?
She's fine.
She's a good dog.
Running around the bottom downstairs.
Hey. She's waiting for them to drop something?
No. She's just running around the house.
Okay. Running around, exploring. You need me to help you? What are you going to feed him? So I've been having fun with this whole like highlighting and contouring thing, but I'm a minimalist, y'all. Meaning I don't like to do a lot. I like to do the bare minimum. Because I feel like I do a non-minimalist type thing every day. So when it comes to my makeup, I know I like to put it on my face. So all that highlight and contouring, it's fun. It's fabulous. Don't get me wrong. But it just takes forever. Blending. And then you have to touch it up when you're out. I ain't got time. Just give me one coat. Give me one coat. I'll have a face that's all the same color. You know? Yes. Hello, princess. Are you ready to go swimming? Yeah. Do y'all like my polka dots? Polka dots and big legs. Polka dots and big legs. Polka dots and big legs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Polka dots and big legs. That's a pretty girl. Look at the pretty little princess. See, I got on my swimming cap. See, I got on my polka dot bathing suit, holding all my boobies in. Say, ow, ow. Bella, why you licking my knee, my kneecap? This little girl is heavy. Why you so heavy, Mama? Mommy's gonna make herself an iced coffee. You wanna make an iced coffee with me? It's a nice breeze out though. I smell barbecue. We should have barbecued today. Pretty girl. So we're at the park, you guys, and the boys are already in the water. They love it out here. What are you men doing over here? Hanging out? Oh, Pukinator says what?
You got a bird box?
I left it in the car in the bag. Oh wait, no, my bag's right here. Yeah, it's fine. the water went away. The boys are gonna make it come back. Izzy. Oh, look, he's looking scared. He's looking scared. His pant leg is getting wet. It's getting wet and it's scaring him. It's scaring my. Oh, I almost fell over.
Be careful, Maximus. Hey, get off
Yeah,
there.
no slapping him because he's scared.
Look at her, look.
Get it, Jordan. Get it. Yay!
Hey, she has a strong leg. She bending over with her legs blocked. Stop, Max. Let her do it. You see her?
Yeah, I see her.
She's doing it all on her own.
Is that infant, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I said that's infant. Oh! I have to do what? Yeah. I got that. Oh, good.
Yeah, and then you guys hook up all the holes, it makes it higher.
You hear all the kids? They're being loud. You want to know what's going on? Oh, cough, cough. You had enough sun. That was enough sun for them. Right? Yeah. Ow! Israel, you just knocked me right in the face. What'd you do that for? No. No. Play with sister. Play with sister. Ow. You should play with sister, not mommy's hair. Where you going? Hey, sissy. Uh-oh. You trying to come over here with us? You want to come over here with us? We're having such a fun time. Hey, pretty little. Hey, pretty little. Hey. This is not a race. There is no running. No running.
No running. Wait for me.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Hey. Well, that's good that you guys had fun. Did you have fun?
Yep.
I had fun.
Kids got tired.
Oh yeah, they gonna get tired and eat and go to bed. I think that sun really just did a number on me. Woo! I thought I was tired already. Ooh, baby, that sun drained me. Well, Jordan is over there asleep. I just fed them some sweet potatoes and gave them a couple of ounces. Izzy ate all of his sweet potatoes, but he didn't want his milk. He said, my tummy is really full right now, Mom. Let me get those feet out of the sun. Is that better? You want to hear the water run while I wash some dishes? Yeah? Y'all, I am tired beyond measure around about now. My whole body I just feel like I'm just about to crumble away like a piece of bread. You know, all of the bread that's down at the bottom of the toaster, you know, that just falls off the bread. That's what I am. I'm just the bread down on the bottom of the toaster right now, y'all. Just tired. Tired. Whew, the sun. But I had a nice day, though, with my family. It was a really calm, chilled Sunday. Very calm, relaxed, laid around in the bed. You know, I was in my pajamas until 2 o'clock. At least 2 o'clock. And we took the kids to the water park. And now I'm just whipping up a really easy meal. Some Bubba burgers, some macaroni and cheese, and some baked beans, and a side salad for me and Jim. The boys don't eat salad yet. I need to introduce that to them, but I'll probably make them eat some grapes or whatever. Hey, Izzy, you over there talking? Hey, sweet boy. He's like, what is that walking around? What is that? That's Miss Bella. That's my leg. That's my husband's leg, Bella. You're such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl, Bella. I got a boo-boo, Mom. You got a boo-boo? Thank you, Bella. Thank you. That's a baby. So Bella's gonna be with us until her mommy comes back to get her. Not quite sure, given the circumstances of everything that's going on. Bella's a good dog, though. She's a sweet dog. She's a very smart dog. Can you give a dog a bath every day? You know? It's dinner tonight before I start digging in. Everybody else always finishes before me because I'm always the last one to sit down.
Not usually.
So, if Bella wants to be here, she has to get a bath. All up in the sauce. I'm not a dog person, y'all. I'm definitely not a dog person. I'm realizing this about myself. I think dogs are cute, but to have one in my house with children, I just don't think so. They go outside with no shoes on. They don't wipe their own asses. Dogs are like a 2-year-old with no diaper on. Just crapping everywhere, peeing everywhere, and saying, "Ooh, look, here, you want some of this grapes that I got? You want to eat some of these grapes that I got?" Even though I just rubbed my butthole. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm not going to say that anymore, but I could literally fall asleep like right now, right here. It's been a long day. I still gotta get in the shower and wash my body. Otherwise, I won't sleep well at all. Look at my bed. Look how tragic it is. I've got a bumbo, Israel's pajamas, box of soap. Yep, that's hair weave. So tired. I gotta clean up my room though. I'm not gonna be able to sleep if my room is messy. Do you guys have that same problem? Can you sleep in a filthy room? Can you go to bed without showering? Do you have to leave a light on? I definitely need to clean up my room. I can't go to bed without cleaning it up. I'm not gonna sleep well. And I got to wash my body. I got to wash my booty. My booty. I'm so lazy. I'm debating on telling Jim to get in the shower with me and help me wash myself.